Sa probinsya, dumadaan ako isang araw sa lunchtime, no? Pumara ako sa isang tindahan. Nakita ko nakahilera yung mga construction workers nakahiga sa kalye, yung kanilang unan, yung sidewalk, no? Nagpapahinga, no? Komportable sa simento, no? Nahigaan at unan, no, ng simento. Pero parang ang sarap ng kanilang tulog, no? Sarap ng pahinga, ang sarap ng siesta, no? The gift of rest. Alam nyo, ang ating pagtulog ay napakalaking biyaya, no? Ang pagpa-recharge, not only physically but spiritually, but we talk about the physical part first, no? Napakahalaga ng tulog at ma-recharge. Minsan, hindi makatulog kasi maraming iniisip, no? At minsan, umiinom ng pampatulog pa, no? Para makatulog, no? So really, let us not take this for granted, the opportunity for us, the gift of rest, trusting in God, no? Physically and spiritually. Kung kailan tayo nare-recharge, tunay nare-recharge, physically, and, mentally, even emotionally, and spiritually. It is very, very important sa lahat ng aspeto. Kasi kung hindi talaga natin bibigyan ng pagkakataon ng rest, busy, abala-abala sa maraming bagay. Physically, mentally, yung ating utak, takbo ng takbo, hindi natin makontrol, no? So we have to take time and rest really. And also spiritually, we have to really take time, have some quiet time with the Lord to recharge, to know what God's will is for all of us. Our minds are racing all the time, no? So we trust in Him. Hayaan natin yung imbitasyon, marinig imbitasyon ng Panginoon. Come, who labor and are burdened, and I will give you rest. Hayaan natin magpakandong sa Panginoon, magpaduyan sa Panginoon. We rest in Him. Kasi kung hindi natin gagawin to, the burdens, the load will get more and more, madadagdagan, pabigat ng pabigat. Kasi tayo lang mag-isa ang bumubuhat. Hayaan natin ang imbitasyon ng Panginoon to come and unload our burdens to Him. Siya ang bahala. Yung burden na yan, no? Galing man sa atin, sariling gawa, o galing sa ibang sitwasyon. But the invitation is to come and allow Jesus to carry out itong pagbubuhat ng burden na ito. It is easy, as a matter of fact. Sabi niya, my yoke is easy and my burden light. Hindi mabigat yung burden. It is easy because it is with the Lord. If without the Lord, it will truly be a burden. But with the Lord, it will be easy. So we are asked to rest in Jesus. Magpakandong tayo, magpaduyan tayo sa Kanya, no? In order for the load to be easy. Otherwise, we will drown, no? We will be low-bat. Simulang-simula pa lang ng araw, low-bat na, no? Parang wala pa nangyayari. So we rest in Jesus, and then finally, in the very end, no, we will truly rest in peace. Rest in His peace because of the grace of God. We thank God today for the Advent season still, the busy season of Advent, but resting in God, preparing for His coming. Salamat sa Diyos.